I've been spending a lot of time working on the old tractor, but I'm gonna get to use it a little this morning. Got an old engine, needs to go out to the scrap yard. So what better way than to hoist it up in the air and take it out there with the tractor? Well, I definitely should have called before I hauled. Got all the way across town. Guys at scrap yard took a day off. So we'll just tuck this back in the corner of the yard and try again Monday. Well, the boom pole is excellent for picking up heavy stuff and taking it around. I also needed something to just haul loose material. Like I'm gonna go right now and go get a barrel full of mulch for the puppy pen. So I just welded some stuff on the front of a barrel, just some scrap I had laying around. Mounted a deal to the 3-point. So now this thing lifts, lowers. You can disconnect the top link and raise it up and it will dump. So it comes in real handy. I'll also be hauling off a bunch of scrap metal. I'll load this up with scrap metal and take it to the scrap yard Monday too. So let's go get some mulch. Got me a load of mulch, ready to head back to the house. The one thing this thing won't do is like back in and scoop. It's just the barrel's just not strong enough for that. That would be handy. And I'm thinking, I've seen people use like the core out of a water heater. A lot thicker material, so I may pick something like that up and try to build something that I can scoop with. But right now, just holding loose stuff. A little bit of shoveling's not gonna hurt me. I could use the exercise. Let's see if this baby will dump. Not too bad. Should be useful for what I need it for. One thing I did have to do is take off, it had a PTO overrunning clutch on it. That was hitting the bottom of the barrel, wasn't letting it tilt quite as far as I wanted. So I pulled it off because I don't currently have anything that uses the PTO. And I plan to get a cover for that so I don't have anything spinning around. But yeah, I'm happy with it for just a little bit of scrap metal and an old barrel. It's very handy.